watching this video because you want to lose belly fat. This is an important first step and you should pat yourself on the back. If you are willing to do whatever it takes on your weight loss journey, then you will succeed. This includes going to your doctor or enrolling in a weight loss program if necessary. You may need the extra support of an individual counselor and a group to accomplish your goals, but it is worth it. You are worth it. Having trouble losing weight and not liking how you look? When you are overweight, it can really get you down and do a number on your self-esteem. But the good news is that when you begin to make progress in losing weight, the snowball starts to roll in the opposite direction and you begin to feel and look better and better. It is not the goal of this video to tell you exactly how you should proceed, but to give you some hope and encouragement that it can be done even if you feel like giving up. Let's start with some scientific facts. You already know that belly fat is not good for you, but how bad is it? As you may have guessed, it poses very serious risks to your health. But we are here to talk about the scientifically backed ways to reduce fat. The good news is that there is something that can be done. Let's take a look. 1. Foods that have ingredients with trans fat should not be eaten. Yes, McDonald's is out. They are made artificially. Hydrogen is pumped into unsaturated fats to make trans fats. Be careful to read food labels to avoid them in foods such as spreads and margarines. When eaten, they can make significant contribution to heart disease, insulin resistance, and inflammation, as well as abdominal fat gain. This has been shown to be true in animal studies, where animals who have eaten diets high in trans fats have gained 33% more abdominal fat than those who had simple fats. You will also see them listed as partially hydrogenated fats on food labels. 2. Limit your alcohol intake. Alcohol can have good health benefits in very small amounts, but it's seriously harmful if you drink too much. Some red wine is fine, but large amounts of alcohol are unhealthy and can make you gain belly fat. This has been shown to be true in scientific studies. Results showed that those who drank alcohol daily, but averaged less than 1 drink per day, had less belly fat than those who drank less often but drank more alcohol on those days. In short, drink less per day or abstain completely. Number 3, include a lot of soluble fiber in your diet for weight loss. It reduces calorie absorption by giving you that full feeling, forming a jelly that slows food down as it moves through our digestive tract. The fiber in itself helps fight belly fat. Eat high fiber foods every day, such as blackberries, legumes, Brussels sprouts, avocados, feet, and shirataki noodles. 4. Reduce your stress levels. Especially don't get stressed about losing weight. If you find yourself falling into this trap, just concentrate on making progress. This usually takes care of this kind of worry. But if you can't shake it, then join a group. Where people are all trying to lose weight. So you have something in common and you can get the support you need. Stress triggers the adrenal glands, which then make cortisol, which then increases appetite and has the undesirable effect of increasing the storage of belly fat. This can be a vicious cycle because women who already have belly fat make more cortisol when stressed. So what do? Practice enjoyable activities that are known to relieve stress, like yoga, meditation, walks, and movies. Number 5, get used to eating a high-protein diet. Protein is an extremely important nutrient for weight management. Why should we do this? When we eat protein-rich foods, it increases our sense of being full. And a hormone known as PYY is released, lowering our appetites. Another benefit is that it helps us hold on to muscle tissue, as we lose weight faster by raising our metabolic rate. Research bears out that people who have a higher protein diet have less abdominal fat. Number 6, sugary foods and drinks are out. An increase in belly fat has been scientifically linked to high sugar intake. Not only that, but research shows that sugar contributes to obesity, fatty liver disease, and type 2 diabetes and heart disease. The food you eat may not appear to contain sugar, but many processed foods are high in sugar, so be sure to read food labels. And natural sugars such as real honey should be eaten in small quantities. 6. Adjust your diet to include fewer carbs, particularly refined carbs. Replacing unhealthy carbs with healthy ones such as vegetables, legumes, and whole grains can go a long way in helping us lose belly fat and increase our metabolic speed. 7. Do aerobic exercise and get your heart pumping. It has long been known that cardio exercise will burn calories and improve your health. In fact, cardio exercise burns the most fat around the waist. Concentrate on increasing the frequency and duration of your exercise regime. This is more important than the intensity of the workout. It is encouraging to know that there is a big payoff in losing belly fat with cardio. It is great motivation. Number 8, consider lifting weights. Please do not start lifting hundreds of pounds. In fact, it is best to first meet with a personal trainer to discuss the best weights and exercises for your age and fitness. Research has shown lifting weights combined with aerobic exercise is most effective in losing waistline inches. We benefit from weightlifting by becoming stronger and losing weight at the same time.